Did you know that the very first car ever created in the late 1800s didn't even have a steering wheel and could barely move faster than a horse? And today, we are talking about vehicles that can drive themselves, run on clean energy, and even fly in the near future. Welcome to AMZ Auto, the place where the world of cars comes alive. Here, we take you on a journey that connects the past, the present, and the future of automobiles in ways you've never experienced before. Cars are not just machines. They are a part of our history, our culture, and even our dreams. Imagine the classics, the timeless Ford Model T that changed transportation forever, or the Volkswagen Beetle that became a symbol of freedom and simplicity. Think about the muscle cars of the 60s and 70s, like the Mustang and the Dodge Charger, which captured the spirit of speed and power. Every classic has a story, and on this channel, we bring those stories to life with stunning AI visuals and storytelling that makes you feel like you're right there in history, watching it unfold. But our journey doesn't stop there. Fast forward to today, and the automotive world is in the middle of a revolution. Electric cars are taking over, and companies like Tesla, Rivian, BMW, Mercedes, and Toyota are competing to create the most advanced EVs the world has ever seen. From powerful batteries that give cars incredible range, to charging networks spreading across cities and highways, we explore how electric vehicles are reshaping the way we think about driving. And we won't just focus on one market. First, we'll explore the groundbreaking innovations coming from American EV makers, then move on to the exciting developments in Europe, Australia, Asia, and even Africa, giving you a global perspective on how the automotive industry is transforming everywhere. And then comes the most exciting part, the future. Concept cars and prototypes are pushing the boundaries of imagination. Cars that can drive themselves without a human hand on the wheel, vehicles that communicate with each other to prevent accidents, and designs that look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Some companies are even working on flying cars that may change the idea of commuting forever. On this channel, we show you what's coming next, how these futuristic dreams are becoming real step by step. And that's not all. Very soon, we're launching dedicated series where we'll bring you thrilling comparison videos and countdowns, including the top 10 SUVs, top 10 sedans, top 10 trucks, and much more. This way, you'll not only see individual innovations, but also discover which vehicles truly stand out in their class. So why should you stay tuned? Because here, every video is more than just information, it's a journey. You'll learn hidden facts you've never heard before, discover amazing technologies, and witness the evolution of cars from steam-powered engines to AI-driven electric machines. Whether you're a lifelong car enthusiast, a tech lover curious about innovations, or just someone who enjoys fascinating stories, this is the channel for you. So, buckle up and join us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new story. Because cars are not just about getting from one place to another. They are about passion, progress, and possibility. And here at AMZ Auto, we bring you closer to that world every single day. Cars are not just machines, they are dreams on wheels. And we are here to drive those dreams with you.